going to be participating in the device, which is the Doomsday event. You guys might know that it's the starting of season 3, and we are very excited. And like this video is going to be full of fun. You will see us covering what happened in season 3,
Nope.
and I can tell you it will be full of fun. So don't forget to like that subscribe button and hit that bell. So what do you think about this, Amy?
I think this challenge, it's not a challenge. I think this event is going to be pretty, like I'm pretty excited about this because, you know, this season 3. We've been playing in season 2 for so much time and I've been waiting for this Doomsday event for a very long time. And I just expect it to be real, like it just comes real quick. I don't know how much time is left, but let's just see. Wait, I can't build. Okay, I think it's gonna start. Do you think so, Tans?
So guys, we were about to start filming from the lobby, but we knew it would take a lot of time since we have to log on 30 minutes before. So we decided we'd spare you the trouble.
Okay, can you actually fight now? Because I'm just standing in here.
We cannot fight. We cannot fight.
Okay, 2 minutes. Try coming on the roof. Try coming on the roof, bro. I came up here. I'm so excited about this, guys. I'm actually so excited. Okay, what?
Actually,
Just try shooting. You can shoot. You can
but
actually
I don't
shoot.
have any gun.
Still, just try. Just press the shoot button.
One eternity later.
So excited about this, guys.
18,
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Come up, Thomas, this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the show begin. Oh my God, guys, I'm so excited. Season 3, here we come. And the timer hasn't exactly. Oh my God, I just fell down. Oh, I'm back. Come on, this white thingy. Is that you? Is this you?
I'm jumping.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm behind you. If you just ever get lost, come on this white thing. Okay? Come on this white thing.
What?
This white thing you see?
Yes.
Okay, just come on top
What
of
is
this.
happening? Okay, guys, the timer is gone. Guys, the timer is gone.
Yeah.
Something is happening.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh my God! Oh my! Something is coming out of the hatches! Oh my God, this thing!
oh,
Okay.
oh my God.
Okay, another one.
Oh my
Another one. Here. Come on the white thingy. The place we accepted to meet. Another one just came.
Yes.
That will be over there, yeah?
Guys.
Over there.
Guys, this is creepy. This is
Guys, it's actually getting so
creepy.
creepy. Just examine that.
my
Actually,
God.
examine this. Okay, the whole agency is actually shaking. I'm so scared right now. What's gonna happen? Let's find out. Oh my God, guys.
What is happening? I have no idea what's happening right now.
This side, I need to get on. This side, yeah. Oh my God, what is this? This is so exciting, guys. Oh my God, yeah. The rumors told us that the agency is gonna blast. Oh my God, guys. I'm in the water. The agency has been broken down. And what is this? What is this? Hey, where you at? I don't see you. I'm lost. I'm actually lost.
I'm on the device. Kind of.
Oh, yeah. I see you. I'm right behind you, but I can't come in there. Oh my God, this is so epic. This is actually so epic. And I just fell down. Oh my God, I actually just fell down.
I'm stuck inside the Doomsday device.
Oh my God, guys, this is so amazing. As said by the people, agency actually blew up. This is so epic. Oh my God, that's like a radioactive sign. Okay, the super jump. There's actually so much of super jump. Just jump. I'm going up. I'm actually going up.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is so epic, guys.
Oh my God. Oh.
What is this thing?
Oh.
Where are you?
Oh. I'm very high.
Yeah, I'm on this.
probably gonna call it. Oh, look at hatches. Look at the hatches.
Yeah, that's what. Look at these hatches. We were so excited about this.
My
There were
God.
so many.
Guys, oh, the whole map is opening up.
Yeah. Oh my God. The whole map. Oh my God, that is so exciting. Oh my God, a whole white screen. Okay. There's a story, I think. I see a computer. Okay.
I'm in the office, guys.
Yeah, I can move. I'm actually moving. Okay, I just stopped now. I'm back here. What was that actually? What was that? This thing is
The storm. Oh,
this thing is actually signaling the whole map. I'm running up if I can. Oh my God, this is so epic. Oh my God, there's all rain. The whole map is dark and I can't move now. Can you?
I can. And guys, there are so many red things. The agency, guys. Agency actually blew up, guys. Oh my God.
I don't know what's happening, but I just can't move. I can just stay in my camera. So I'm just gonna focus on this thing. Okay, I think there's some kind of glitch maybe.
Guys, there's no more agency. I can see the whole thing right now. This is crazy, guys.
Oh my God, I'm
Oh
flying now.
my
The agency actually blew up. Oh my God, I'm decreasing up. I mean, not sorry, increasing up. Oh my God, the storm's right here. Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm falling.
What is
I can skydive. And now I don't know what's in my hand. Okay, this is doing something so epic. I just fell
Okay,
down
now-
now. Oh my God,
Guys-
guys, this is so epic. I'm flying in this steam.
If this is the new map,
Oh my
then we
God!
are-
Oh my God! That's all. That's all it's gonna be. Is this the actual agency now? Is it?
It can't be.
It just can't.
Can't.
People who love agency are actually gonna just. Is the fight on again?
No.
We can't shoot
No.
anyone. Okay, it's not over yet. Let's just focus on this, guys. This is actually so epic. Oh my God. Oh my God! I just. What was this?
No, everything is
Okay.
not stable over here. We
Not
are
stable,
active.
yeah,
Janice,
active,
Janice,
Janice,
dial the
Janice,
resonance
Janice.
actuator to 713.
Okay.
Now, please, yes, right now.
I'm on it.
I can move, but I'm in my office.
Wait. Hold on. It's not
Office?
just a storm. What does that mean?
I'm in the office.
Oh,
Must be connected to the loop. There's no way we could have predicted that it would react this way.
read the subtitles.
Yeah, that's what, guys. If you have not read the subtitles, go back and read it again. It's actually so epic. And I'm in the water now.
Yes. Yes.
Are you in the water too?
Guys, I'm jumping right now. Like not in the water. I'm jumping here. I can see you. I'm behind you, kind of.
Where
I'm
you at?
jumping right here. You.
Just come in front of my face or something. Like, just come in front of me.
Here,
Oh my-
can you see me?
Oh, yeah. That's you. Okay. I think we're gonna be teleported back to the office. And that worked. How long do you think it'll hold? Okay. This is actually so creepy.
Good. Everything is starting to stabilize here. Nothing seems to be.
Agent Jonesy.
Oh my God.
Agent Jonesy.
You even
Yeah, that's what.
wait. Can you
Okay.
hear me?
Wait, what's happening? This is so exciting, guys.
Agent Jonesy just arrived. This is crazy. No idea what's going on. It's gonna be epic. What's going on?
Oh my God, I'm on the white screen. Oh my God. I'm in the battle bus. What? The battle bus. We're in the storm right now.
Hey, guys, this is weird. What is going? I can see a. Oh, I can see the map.
Oh my God,
Guys.
guys. I just thanked the bus
Crazy.
driver. This is actually so crazy. Is the agency still blown up? That's the biggest question right now. Can we kind of
It is.
jump?
I jumped. Where do
Oh.
you want to land?
Okay, I am lagging. Okay, just land on the top place. Okay, that was all, but that was actually so epic. Come right here. You see its pink mark?
It agency is just actually broken.
It's actually blown up. Oh my god, guys, this is so epic. I wasn't expecting this at all. Oh my god, I'm actually going so mad. Actually, I'm just not gonna fight right now. I'm just gonna make you guys, like, you know, find out what happened to the agency. There's some water in here. Okay, you just died of fall damage. I think so. Okay, I got another legacy. Okay, there's some.
Crazy.
These slopes can still work, you know. You can actually use them. Okay, I'm
Make your
selecting tech.
selection.
A jetpack, suppressed SMG or suppressed sniper rifle. Wait, jetpack can when it is charged, but not in use. Okay, I'm gonna take my sniper rifle. They can come in use. But actually, I'm just gonna kind of just roam around. It's for you guys. I'm just roaming around so that you guys can check out what's happened to this marvelous place. I just want to know that if it's back, are the bosses still there? Oh my god, these guys are so annoying. Actually, why don't you just take the good moment of the people right here?
AV.
Impressive.
I got one person with 95 damage.
AV, can you do me a favor?
Yeah, go ahead.
At the storm. It is not a storm. It's the ocean. I can see. I can
Yeah.
see. Just look there, and even on the ground, you can see the reflections of the water. Guys, we are kind of underwater, but we are not.
Yeah, that's what. And guys, if you just check out the agency, it's actually kind of broken. It's like it's blasted, like literally. Okay, can I take this? I need to get on top to get a good view for you guys. Guys, if you like this video by any way, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to tell us the favorite part.
And the hatches are closed.
Has it? Have they? Oh yeah, they actually closed again. I still didn't understand that place, you know, the office. I didn't understand it so much. But let's see. Oh my god. Okay, someone just broke my build. Yeah, I'm so excited about this.
I'm actually so excited.
I'm just gonna get you guys a
like,
proper view.
people were saying that if you participate in the event, you get the Chonti skin for free. Now, I'm not sure if that myth is true, but we'll get to know once we exit the game.
I think
Once the
this is all for the event. There might be something else, like, you know, but I think that's all for the event. I just want to check out season 3 real quick. I just wish it's there tomorrow or something so that I can just play it really quickly, and I want to just find out what's happening, and I just ran out of mats. Okay, someone just broke my build again. I just died in front of you. You saw that?
you could have
That was one of the rumors that actually came out true. Any part of the video. And okay, so I'm on this high place for you guys now, and let's just see the whole agency. So guys, this is gonna be it for our video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what was the favorite part of your video. See you next time. Bye.